Alright, so we will start. I'll share my screen. Let me know when it's visible. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So today is day 13 and we will continue writing one more program on arrays so that we get a better understanding. So the real world problem. So as always, when we read a concept, we try to correlate with the real world problem and see how to give a solution using the Java world or programming world in particular. So here, the problem we are trying to solve is attendance register in school or college. Okay, so there is going to be an attendance register where we are going to read students' names and then store it in the register and then use the register to read out all the names. See, in our case, we will be printing all the names. So let's see how to use program to store list of students' name. Okay, clear? So that is the problem we are going to try to solve using programming world. So I'll create a new package. Day 13. As usual, I'll create a new class name, or we will write like attendance register and public static void main. Hi Edwin, good evening. We just started with a problem and trying to solve it using programming. The problem is to read n students' name and store it in a register and read back all the students' name and print it in the terminal. We are going to see how to use arrays to solve this problem. So without arrays, what we would be doing, we would create string student 1, student 2, student 3, right? Is it right? And let's say we are having, let's say we have 20 students, means we will be continuing to create up to student 20. And then we will use scanner so student 1 equal to scan obj dot next, right? Is it right? Yeah. So but we don't want to create these many variables, so what we are going to do, we're going to create a array. So before that I took an image so that I can show you. So you can see here, right? What do you see?
Books are arranged.
Yeah, so books are arranged vertically, and this is what is an array. So different books are placed in a order with index. Okay, the first book is Neil, Guy, Man, so etc. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth is a blue book, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you see a blank. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 are all blank. We don't have a book, and then suddenly we have a book at the end. So this is a typical array. This is how data are stored in an array. And if you see, the maximum number of book that can be kept is fixed here. If it is going, this rack is going to contain only 15 books, then we cannot store more than 15 books. So that's the maximum value, right? So we'll create here a string array. String, we'll name it as students array equal to new string array, and we'll give here 10 so that we can store 10 students name, and we use a scanner.next is going to give the first student name, and we have to push it to the array. So we will push it to the 0th element. The 0th place we will store the first student. Yes. First position we store the second student. This is one way of doing. The other way is using a for loop. For int loop equal to 0, loop less than 9, loop plus plus, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we have done, we have created a string array. The maximum element the string array can store is 10, and we use a scanner. Inside the loop we scan the data and we push it to the array. Let's see the data in the array. Sys out arrays dot toString, and we will pass our array name to see what are the elements in the array. So when I run this program, the first student I will go is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday 1, Saturday 2. So see here, we got the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I give any extra? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I get an enter extra. Okay, we can ignore this null for now. But if you see here, this is the array, and whatever values we entered have settled in the respective position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we want to print back any particular element, we can use sysout from the array. Let's say I want to print the 6th value. If I give the 6th value, This time I'll do 1, 2, 7. Okay. So sixth value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, fifth value. I'm sorry. Yeah. Fifth value. So the fifth value is number 6. Any questions?
Is it a we can do like we can print it in vertical?
You mean this one?
Yeah, that's not.
This one is just an inbuilt method. If you want to print the array, we will use for loop. For int loop equal to 0, loop less than 9, loop plus plus, sys out, students array of loop. So now they should print vertically. I'll reduce it to 4 so that I need not key in multiple values. So, here I have given 10. That is why one null was coming. Okay. So I'll reduce to 4 here. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's printing vertically now. This was an inbuilt method. Okay, you cannot modify it. Okay. So let's try out a program. So you will, once you do hands-on, you will get a better idea. So you can open up your Eclipse. The program you can try out is write a program to add numbers 1 to 10 into an array. Print back all elements in array. Simple program. So you have to write a program. No need to get any input from the user. When you run the program should add all the elements, all the numbers from 1 to 10 to an integer array, and then it should print back all the elements whichever is inside the array. Clear? Yeah. You can start now. The question is write a program to add numbers 1 to 10 into an array. No need to use scanner. No need to read any input from the user. When you run the program should add numbers 1 to 10 into an integer array. You have to declare an integer array. You can give the size of the array as 10 and add numbers 1 to 10 into the array. After adding, iterate the array and print all the elements from the array. Very simple program. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's 8:15 now. We'll take 15 minutes time. 8:30 we'll again meet. You can start the program now.